Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share with you an amazing advanced slider and it's totally built inside the System.io platform. We all know System.io is providing a basic slider but it's not very advanced. However, using just a few lines of custom code, you can build a custom looking slider like this. Okay, so you can add your slider image, you can add your own headline, subheadline, button URL, button text, and you can make the slider full screen as well. It's totally depend on you and everything is customizable. Anyone who does not know any coding can also change it and use it their System.io platform. Just follow my video and follow the step-by-step guide. I just created a Google Doc file and I added all the code here. If you look at the Google Doc, I clearly mentioned the code, and if I go down a little bit, there are some instructions with easy guideline on how to change all those things. So I'm gonna be explain those one by one. So in this video, I'm gonna be create a cool looking slider from scratch. First of all, we need to go to system.io settings and edit the header code. Okay, so let's jump to the funnel. I'm going to create and add a new funnel step and just type a name, sales page 2. Okay, and I want to start from scratch. Page type sales page and just simply click edit page. Now let's go to the settings and below this is the edit header code option. Now jump to my code and copy the script code and go back to the system.io and go to the settings, edit header code and just simply paste the code here. Now we can easily modify this code here. Simply click save. Now back to the doc and follow step 2. This is our custom HTML. Copy the code and go back to the System.io and I just drag and drop raw HTML block and click edit code and paste the code and click save. Okay, after saving it, if I preview the funnel, we can see this code is working but the image are not showing because we are not adding any image. So how do you add images? It's very simple. We need to go to the file section. Okay, you can find it under assets and let me open the funnel again. In the file we are going to be upload the images. Why here? Because if you upload the images directly inside System.io page builder, this platform automatically compress the image quality. That's why it looks blurry or low quality. If we use an image uploaded from there, that's why we come to the assets file and we are going to be upload this image here. Okay, just simply click here, click upload file and just select the file. Here is the image. I just open it and make sure your image type is JPG. When you upload a JPG file, your slider image is look clear, not blurry. Okay, so just click select, simply click this image and there is the preview. Click right side, click here copy image address and now we use this image. Just simply go to the doc file and see the instructions. So if I go to the instructions and go down a little bit, there is a easy guideline. First is change image. So it's a clearly mentioned replace the data BG. BG means background and another one is image src. The data BG and it's a mention full image URL and another one is image src full image URL. Okay, so we just replace the image URL here and here. Let's get back to the funnel. Edit the HTML block and this is the data BG. Okay, and just replace this image URL. Similarly, you can replace the full image URL here as well. Okay, and that's it for the image. Okay, back to the documents. The second is change headline, which is called a data title. Okay, it's very simple. This is your headline text, data title, and similarly you can see data text. There is the subheadline and there's the data link. This is actually the link for the button. Okay, and if you look at the guideline, it's mentioned change link button. Let's update the first, your headline number 1. Okay, and we can use it as it is. And similarly, I want to add another image. I already upload some images, so let's use this second one. Click it right side, copy image address and paste the image address here. Okay, that's for the second slider. So this is the full image URL. I just paste the full image URL here. And the another one is image src full image URL. And the second slider number 2, okay, you can add your custom link here under the button and just simply click save. When I save it, simply save it and preview. When you preview it, you can see the actual look. See, when I preview it, you can see your text and the images. And you can also customize your button text, color, and everything. If I need more items, how does it work? It's very simple. Again, come to the systeme.io, click raw HTML block, and you simply duplicate the code. Just copy it and simply duplicate it. This is the third slider item, and I just use another image for this. Copy image address and just replace it with this one. So this is the third one I just replaced. This copy and paste the type number 3, click save and preview the page. And it's working. It's also working on the mobile version as well. If you look at the mobile version, it's already responsive for mobile devices, and it's actually an automated slider. It's automatically changed the slider item now. Let's see how we modified the other items. If I go back to the doc file and see the guideline, like there's called change button color. Okay, at the very top, so there's the button color code. When I copy it and go back to the funnel, go to the settings, edit header code, and let's press Ctrl F to open a search bar and paste it with Ctrl V. When I press enter, you can see there is the background color code showing. Okay, there's the background color right now. So let's change the background color to something else. So if I just copy a different background color like a red or something, just replace it with the red, then save the page and preview it. When I preview the page, if you look at the button color, it's already changed. Okay, let's get back and see the other option. Change font. The same way we can change the font as well. Let's copy the code and go back to the settings, header code editor, Ctrl F and Ctrl V. When you paste it, you can see the font. It's monstrate font. You can change your font family to something else. Similarly, you can change other item like change animation speed, change auto slider time. So we can change the speed if you want faster or slower. You can simply copy this, and that is the speed option. You can just change the speed to something like 0.9 second or 0.4 second for faster, 1 second for slower, and simple save it. Similarly, the other change is auto slide time. You can change the time. You can also change the text size. Just simply copy it and you can come click edit, and there is the font size. You can change the font size here. Okay, you can see very small padding on the left side. So how can we make this padding bigger or change the font size? So let's just simply change it. So I just want to change the font size. Just copy the font size. So I go to the edit, Control F, Control V. There's the font size. I just make it 42 pixel. And I want to change the left side padding. I just copy, Control F and Control V. There's the left side padding. I just use 60 pixel for right now. Okay, so when I click save, let's see the preview first. You can see it's look like this. So this is the easiest way you can change your custom slider, and you can change your text as well. Okay, so let me show you how to make it full screen wider. It's very simple. This is our slider section. Just go to the section and make the margin and padding like I just set 2 pixel. You can add 0 as well if you don't need any specific padding. And the row, make it 2 pixel, and the raw HTML, it's already 0. Okay, and you can just make it 2 pixel margin and simply click save and preview. When you preview the page, here's the look like. It's almost full screen. If you reduce these more spaces, just make everything padding and margin 0, 0. Okay, it also looks fully fit to the screen. So if you need this custom code, just comment below or check the video description. Thank you for watching this video.